Hello, good morning, my dear children. It's our fourth chapter from Science, Animals and the Food. In this class, we are discussing the second portion of this lesson. This is the same lesson, and the subtitle of we are discussing today, that is animals that gnaw. Animals such as rats and squirrels eat seeds and fruits. They have a pair of sharp front teeth that help them nibble or gnaw the food. We know that rat or squirrels, they have two front teeth. This teeth, we can see that it's a little bit more than other teeth, and also it is very sharp thing. It can, by this teeth, they are nibbling things. Squirrels as the same, rat also the same front teeth is using for nibbling. So this is the speciality of such animals like a rat and squirrels. Special feeding habits is the next topic. That is, some animals have a special structures that help them in feeding. Hummingbirds have long beaks and butterflies have long straw-like sucking tubes or suck nectar from flowers. This is each and every animal has some special organs for its living. Some animals have special structure that we are discussing here. That is, hummingbirds have long beak. Hummingbird, it's a small bird, but it has a long beaks to take honey from the flowers. And that's the same in the case of butterfly, that also it has also a long straw-like sucking tube. By this tube, it sucks the nectar from flowers. Okay. And the next thing, that is the care of domestic animals. We know that mainly we can classify the animals as domestic animals and also as the same wild animals. Domestic animals are animals that we can see around us, as the same wild animals we can see in the deep forest. Animals that are kept in farms or at home are called domestic animals. Some of us keep animals at home as pets too. These animals need proper care. We must make proper shelter for them to stay in. In domestic animals, some animals we are keeping them for getting something from that animal. For example, cow giving us milk, gives us milk, and eggs from hen, duck, such birds we can. And also some animals we are keeping for meat, such things. Otherwise they guard our home. Such type of useful things they are doing for us. And as the same, some animals we are keeping at home just for only pleasure. Such type of animals we can say pets. For example, parrot. We didn't like to eat them actually, and they will not be get from any egg from that parrot. Only for getting pleasure we are using to keep such type of birds. Parrot and lovebirds and such animals, or cat. These animals all we are using for as a pet. And which type of animal, that it is not a matter, but all the animals we want to take care of that animal. The home of domestic animals and pet animals should be clean every day. The dung or droppings removed. Every day we have to clean the home or nest or shed. We should have to clean the place which we are keeping there. And the next thing is a healthy food should be given at proper time. Regular time we have to give healthy food for our animals. Animals should be given clean drinking water. Like us, we have to provide clean drinking water to our animals. And the next thing, that is, animals should be kept clean and properly groomed. Okay, we have to keep them in. We have to clean them regularly in a proper way. Sick or injured animals must be taken to a veterinary doctor at once. We all are going hospital when we are ill. As the same, if there is a sick animal or an injured animal, we should have to take them into a veterinary doctor. Okay. We must be kind to animal and should not hurt or tease them. We want to be kind with animals. We don't want to hurt them. We won't want to tease them. Okay. This is we are discussing in our lesson. That is, in this lesson we have discussed about herbivores, omnivores, carnivores, and ways of eating animals by the speciality of the teeth, and also how can we care the animals that we have discussed in this lesson. Okay, that's enough. Have a nice day. Thank you.